Well, good Saturday evening. Right now, as we take a look at our downtown Portland Skycam, we have nice clear conditions. However, they are starting to get pretty cold outside as far as our temperatures go. 18 over at Portland, a west-northwest wind. 5 miles per hour, light and variable. At least in the next 24 hours, that will be changing. So just enjoy the calm before the storm. Right now, as we take a look at our current temperatures across the region, a lot of us coming in between the single digits and teens. Sanford sitting at 7. We have 8 there for Freiburg, 9 for Jackman. So definitely seeing a variety out there tonight. Now, as we go into our Sunday, we're going to stay with the sunshine. Eventually, as we go through our afternoon, the clouds do increase. So therefore, temperatures topping out into the mid-20s, low 30s. That means you have plenty of dry time before our storm hits. So as we go into Sunday evening, though the impacts will be minimal, we're looking at light, fluffy snow starting to creep in around 10 o'clock towards York County. But overall, you guys are going to be staying dry. But that winter storm watch going all through Monday, expiring right after midnight going into Tuesday. So just continuing to work your way through the impacts. Dry Sunday, the winds, the heavy snow, even some minor coastal flooding going to be possible as we go into Monday. It's a brief time period. And then as we go into our Tuesday, though that system is out of here, we are going to continue to stay breezy and cool. And another system on the way for Wednesday that has less impacts, but it's still going to be snow. Another one Thursday and Friday. So at this point, we are tracking some more active weather coming our way. But let's focus on what we do have now. Snow arrives Monday early morning. You'll really start to see the impact to the mid-morning commute, especially throughout the afternoon. So with heavy snow and gusty winds and reduced visibility, it's going to be very dangerous to be out on the roads. Of course, we are Mainers and we know what to expect by now. It's winter and we're getting a true feel of winter, that's for sure. But overall, we are going to be looking at snow drifts being a potential, even some isolated power outages. So you really want to make sure that you have everything you need before this system occurs. So 8 to 12 there for southern York County. It's a very small corner of it. Any shift in track will lead to a shift in amounts as well. If we continue to see this more towards the west, the amounts will go creeping upwards as well for areas further inland. That means Augusta, though you're in the 3 to 6, you could easily get into the 6 to 9 range, which most of us along the coast are going to be in. So Storm Tracker pulls us through. We've got a low up towards Canada and a low coming in from the south. That's going to combine its energy and become a very strong low pressure. That's what we're going to be looking at for giving us our very gusty winds from the northeast. That's what makes it a nor'easter. Northeast winds, and we are going to be looking at winds potentially gusting along the coast as high as 40 to 45 miles per hour, again making for very difficult travel, blowing snow, snow drifts, and even some minor coastal splashover. The snow, though, intensifying towards the afternoon, getting out of here towards the late evening Monday when all is said and done. So as far as our snowfall intensity, the worst of it right into the morning, the reds there indicating some of the heavier snow. And I'm just talking about intensity. We are going to be seeing some fluff factor out of this too. But overall, it's really the winds that are going to be the problem again towards high tide Monday morning around 3 in the morning. We are going to be seeing a minor splash over towards the late afternoon, not as much of a problem. But as we continue to look further out in the 8-day forecast, well, things are becoming a lot more active.